So, hi dear Sagittarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a 7 day 7 Oshos and Tarot messages for all the Sagittarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 9 till the 15th of Feb 2026. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So, let's start. Overall energy for Sagittarius people for this week. Just give me 1 second, honey. We have the stress. Okay, Sagittarius, you guys have to learn this mantra. Not my monkey, not my circus. You don't have to take other people responsibilities on your shoulders and then juggling a lot of things at the same time like a clown and then stressing the hell out of your life. This is sucking your blood, so draining your life forces, draining your energies. This is not a good thing, like taking too much on your plate and crying afterwards that, oh my god, this is too much, I can't handle it, this is stressful and blah blah blah. You are creating these kind of energies in your life yourself. Okay, so you guys are going to stress the hell out of yourself regarding a lot of things that you will be taking the responsibilities of, and especially others too, and like making your life hell or hellish yourself and then blaming the whole divine for your own foolishness. Let's see the messages for this week, Sagittarius. Ninth, we have turning in. So instead of listening to other people for advices, for answers, first of all, make sure like the answers, the guidance that you are seeking for from the outside world, they are good enough, experienced enough. They have the enough knowledge, understanding, and maturity of giving you the guidance. First thing, whosoever you are trying to take the guidance from. Second thing, turning into yourself is going to help you to figure out the answers in a much more peaceful way, and you will be able to get the answers very loud and clear. So instead of focusing on too many people at the same time, listening to too many people at the same time, listen to your own inner voice regarding a situation that you might be feeling stuck in. You know the answers. Every one of us have our own answers within ourselves. We just need a mirror to tell us all of that. Right now the universe is kind of telling you to go inside and figure it out yourself. 10th, we have flowering. Now you guys might be flourishing in a particular area of your life. You guys might be doing your best. You guys might be like getting some kind of rewards or recognition or some kind of awards or some kind of something really beautiful is happening. So you don't have to shrink yourself because other people are feeling jealous of you or they are not able to fit in your flowering, in your flourishing. Don't shrink your energies because other people are not able to understand your journey and your energies. Don't do that. 11th of Feb, we have the sorrow. Now, in order to achieve something in your life, it's not mandatory for you to leave everyone and everything behind, because this is the only path that you will be able to achieve that enlightenment, that happiness, that everything that you're looking forward to have. That's bullshit. That's a complete bullshit. The time has changed. Now you can keep everything that makes you happy, that you can keep everything and everyone around you, and you can still achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. You don't have to create this pain. This is self-created pain and self-created sorrow. Even if you think the universe doesn't give a shit to those people who create self-pity, self-victimization and all that things. The universe definitely operates on energies. Whatever you are going to do with yourself, whatever you are going to put into the universe, it's going to come back to you. Now, up to you. 30, 9, 10, 11, 12th. Understanding. Now you have to understand one point here, Sagittarius. No one, literally no one can stop you from achieving the happiness, the freedom that you are meant to achieve in this lifetime. This is just your mind playing tricks on you. This is just your mind trying to give you the excuses and reasons to not to grow in your life the way you should. You can also fly high like other people are doing. Other people are doing. Other people are doing. So if you are not able to do something in a particular direction, that's your own limiting belief. That's your own bullshit that is stopping you from moving forward. No one and nothing is to blame here. 13th, we have the clinging to the past. Okay, Sagittarius, you might have this energies of clinging to a past person, situation, or some kind of happening at some point of time. you're not able to release it, you are not able to let it go. So instead of avoiding it, instead of trying to run away from it, instead of making it drain your energies, face it. Be very very aware that something or someone from your past is coming in your energies, in your awareness again and again and again. So if you can't do anything about it, just watch it, like, and understand why this particular person or situation keeps on coming back in your energies, what is the reason, and what you should do in order to release the situation with awareness. Yeah, instead of taking it as a punishment, instead of taking it in this energy, in this manner of avoiding and ignoring and making it difficult for yourself, try to understand why is it happening and what you should do about it, what is the lesson, what is the message, and then release it with awareness. 14th, sharing. Now if you're one of those people who have the liberty to share some kind of good energies, good vibes, resources to other people, please do that if you feel like doing that. But do that with all of your heart and soul, with unconditional energies. If you are going to share something with other people just because you feel like you are going to add good karma in your book, or you're going to post it on a social media and it's going to make your ego feel good, don't do anything about it. Okay, you don't have to manipulate the divine in order to share your things or share your energies to anything or anyone. If you can do it unconditionally, if you can do it without insulting the other people, like making them feel like smaller or something, then share whatever you can from your side. Share your wisdom, your knowledge, your resources, your happiness. Do it with all of your heart and soul and enjoy it. Okay, instead of feeding your ego, do it unconditionally with love. That's the point here. 15th of Feb, we have the patience. Now Sagittarius, you guys have to be very very patient with a situation that is going to take time to give you the results that you're hoping for and seeking for. It might be a project, it might be a long term project, it might be your investments, it might be something that you're working hard from a very long time. It is going to give you the results the way you wanted, but it is going to take time for this situation to give you the results. It's about divine timing, it's about patience. This whole situation is teaching you a lot of patience and compassion, and this attitude of keep going no matter what, right? So whatever it is, and take care of your energies during the moon cycles also. If you're one of those sensitive people who are affected by moon cycles a lot, take care of those energies also this week. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, honey. Sagittarius. We have the Fool card. Okay, as long as you are having innocent heart, innocent energies, and a very beautiful aim, a goal of moving forward in your life without hurting anyone, without manipulating anyone or anything, the universe got your back. Whatever this is that you are planning to have a start or restart in your life, make sure that you're going ahead with a lot of love, a lot of good vibes, good energies, innocent intentions, and you're good to go. You will get it in the divine timing. The universe is going to give you everything that you want. Don't try to manipulate the universe. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Sagittarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.